I like portable work light, so I picked up this one. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I picked up this portable work light because I like having light when I'm in the dark. Maybe you like the dark, but I like the light better. Micro USB cable here. But what was cool about this one is that it seemed to have a lot of features. And what you can see here is it's in this little case, which is probably about the size of playing cards, but obviously much thicker, probably about 1.5 inches thick here. But what I loved about this is that it was just super feature rich for some of us that need a work light in the garage or when you're working on your car or doing some home repairs. I think this one is going to meet a lot of criteria. First of all, this black portion here is actually like a soft rubber, so it's actually kind of impact absorbing, which is kind of nice. And the yellow is a harder plastic. You can see we have LED COB on board right there, surrounded by a little bit of like a chrome like ring, so you should get really nice light. I also love that the power button was right on the front here, so if you stick this to something using these magnets up against a wall or the hood of a car or something like that, you can still get to the power button. A lot of these have the power button on the back side, which isn't that helpful, especially if you are using it with the magnet. You can see there, boom, super bright. It kind of reminds me of those handheld flashlights that they used in Star Trek The Next Generation, so pretty cool. And you can see here a couple modes. Ooh, then we also have flashing red lights there, so especially if this is something that's going to be in your car bag, that can be really helpful. Kind of little extra hazard lights. I was actually driving the other day on the road. There was a car with engine trouble, and they just stopped in the road, and the person was like outside of the car making a call, but they didn't have their hazards on. Why didn't they turn on their hazard? That's kind of ridiculous. Now on the back here too, what we also have is like a little key mount hole, so if you have a screw in the wall, you can put it on there and hang it just like a picture frame, so that's really cool. You also have this little flip out hook so that you can hook it to something. You can even use this in a tent off a tree branch, but a lot of times there are little holes in the sheet metal of cars, so you can hang it there. Especially nice if you have something that's not ferrous and magnetic. And then lastly, you have right here a little kickstand so that you can sit this up, you know, without having to have anything at all. You have a little panel right here that looks like a little Phillips head screw. Will open that up so that if you needed to replace those batteries, you can. But right on this side here, we have a little plastic flap, and if I open this up, you might be able to see that what we have are two ports, the micro USB so that you can charge this up, which I really love because some of these use a proprietary power cable, which is kind of silly because everyone has the USB cords. I hate having a separate power cord that I have to make sure that I mark and keep around. So this is really nice. I can just charge it off of any of the micro USB that I have. And then also a USB port right there so that I can plug in my cell phone, charge it off this like a power bank. So I just want to show you how bright this is. We'll take it outside and test it out. All right, out here in the garage, you probably can't even see me. Maybe the glistening of light off my glasses there. Looks kind of like a demon cat, but I've got the light with me. Boom, right there. And now I am illuminated. Let's tell some ghost stories. But if I spin around here to the garage, boom, look at that. Lit up. Woohoo. You can see everything, man. And if I wanted to work on my car or something like that, absolutely use this. And what I love about this is, like I said, all the features. So, boom, look at that. Stuck there with the magnets, and I don't have to worry about it marring the car either because the whole rubber construction around the edges. So pretty cool. Hey, if you want to pick up this light, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.